Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and this is Logitech's Bluetooth keyboard. This is a great option for you if you are on the go like we are. I often use this when we go on vacation. I bring it in our camper and I can easily store this away. It works perfectly with my tablet. If you are using it with a tablet, you may need an adapter device, so that's what I got. And I like also that it has a built-in pad here for your cursor. It has also these easily accessible volume buttons, and the keys are really nice to type on. They're soft and they don't make noise. So that was something I was looking for, is keys that do not click every time you press them. And this is a great option if you also don't like that noise, or you're trying to work and it's supposed to be a quiet environment. I would highly recommend this. It pairs really easily, and it has held up, it's durable, it has batteries right here in the back that you can put in, and it's just, I can't imagine my life without it. But that's just my point of view.